We're down at Riverway, one of our premium garden spots in our city, and we're promoting School National Tree Day. And this is where we get the schools to help us plant more trees out there and recover our environment. Cranbrook State School. Part of their educational process so as we can actually improve our environment. It's copped a lot of degradation over the years, now it's time to recover. These guys are enthusiastic, they're keen to get involved, they're committed to the subject matter. We're giving them a selection of trees and grasses and what have you to replace both the weeds and where trees have been removed from local areas. And with 17 schools committed to be involved in this project, it gives us a very wide range across the city. Along with the help of the, should mention, sponsorship of Toyota, and this is very critical, but the council has always been a strong supporter of our environment and how we can best recover and improve it, and it's obviously for the benefit of our community.